Hi, I'm Equina from India, and I'm studying fashion design here at the University of Central Lancashire. It's essential you book your accommodation as soon as you receive your confirmation of acceptance of studies letter and before you arrive in the UK. This will make sure you have somewhere comfortable to settle into as soon as you arrive. Living on or near campus can make life much easier as you'll save time on commuting and have quick access to lectures, campus facilities, and the library. Plus, it's a great way to meet other students and be part of the lively campus community. One of the best things about living on campus is that your bills such as water, heating, and Wi-Fi are included in the rent, so you don't have to worry about any extras. If you choose off-campus accommodation, there are many private housing options within walking distance or a short bus ride to campus. The university works closely with registered landlords, making sure there's a good supply of different types of accommodation. And one of the great things about studying here is the great location in the northwest of England. On weekends, it's so easy to explore exciting cities and beautiful landscapes like the Lake District, Manchester, Liverpool, and Blackpool.